YouTube, it's Lowry Gamer Pro with another video, and in this video we are showing my friend's dog. Yeah, she is. She's called Lily. She's so cute. Like, look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Ow!
She's so cute.
And she's really happy. Wait, just give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Użycie
This one. We were on basketball or something like that.
Mistä nyt meitä on vai Blitz?
Yeah, I think she doesn't like the light. So wait, let me just turn that off for a second. Yeah, I can't turn that off. That's a bit of a problem, but yeah. So she's very cute. Look at this teeth. Look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but wait, let me just take this. But yeah, she's so cute. There's not much to say. Just that she's cute and wait, I'm just gonna try to wait, I'm gonna take another one. Yes. Hey.
Це моя паті.
She's really cute.
Yeah, Bobby's cutie.
Go get it. She won't get it.
She won't get it.
She's really small and she's like, she really wants to play and she always runs around. Look at this. You should have seen her when I first time saw her. She was like all jumping around. And that's it for this video. It was a short video and I wanted to mention something else. I weren't uploading any videos because my phone, it was like, it kinda gone dead, but now it's, now I made it
Alive!
alive. I fixed it, so yeah. Tomorrow you will get another video, so see you guys later. And also, I deleted my hometown series because from my friend's dad, he told he will sue me, but don't worry, I'm gonna probably put it back because I don't give like, okay, so see you.